Been the launch of MasterCard, which will now enable yourself and the rest of your team and your ministers not to necessarily carry cash in their pockets, deposit their monies in their accounts, go wherever they're going, and be proud to show a card that is produced in our country.
Chip card technology is growing pretty fast in Mogadishu, making it easier for Somalis to access their money. This is as a result of a partnership between MasterCard and the recently launched Premier Bank. The bank now issues and accepts the first MasterCard branded payment cards in Somalia.
We've since issued about 1,000 MasterCards. Our target is to issue 5,000 before the end of the year, and in 3 to 4 years, we target to reach 250,000 customers.
In a place like Mogadishu, given the unstable economic structure, ease in handling money is very important. And it's for this reason the bank is introducing the chip card technology.
We are also in the progress of introducing point of sale purchases. That is where now we are going to, you can use your card to enter a supermarket and just swipe instead of paying cash. And other vendors as well, not supermarkets alone, petrol stations, shops, and hotels.
The service allows customers to access their money outside of the country. Chip card technology is fast growing around the world. It's however first in this country. SmartCard becomes the first international payment network to enter Somalia. And the services offered by the Premier Bank, it might just tap into the $1.2 billion remittance money and provide a convenient and safe alternative to the Hawala system. It is a formal and traceable network that also complies with international security standards. Locals say access is faster and way easier than before.
For example, the
MasterCard has eased our handling of money. I work for a company and receiving money had been a long process. Wait for it for about a week, then receive it through the Hawala system. That's not the case anymore. We can access our money online, withdraw without necessarily queuing or going to the bank.
This technology and the ease it has brought is a new thing and it's exciting Somalis. Even President Mohamud tried it out for himself. Mohamed Hirmogi, CCTV, Mogadishu.